Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and actually it's my day off today. But I had to come into the shop to do a couple of things, and I see an envelope sitting here. I'm not going to show you the other side for obvious reasons, but I have no idea what this is. Nobody has said anything to me about what this is, and it's from Happy Pepper. And being as it's from Happy Pepper, I'm a little nervous. I think you understand why, but I always do unboxings, so let's see what we got in here. Again, knife from Jillian. Thank you, Jillian. Ooh. We have a nice little letter. It says, "Hello Rob, I wanted to get these powders out to you for some time. It's been fun on the live streams and getting to know you. Enjoy the powders and good luck with your 2019 grow. All the best, Happy Pepper." Cool. So in here we have 2 vials. Small print, glasses. Gotta do the glass thing. And they're very well sealed. I don't have any, can't get any smell off with the outside. And really nice seal on them too. And this first one is a smoked Carolina Reaper powder. Uh-oh. And being as a smoked, this could actually be pretty interesting. And no, I'm not going to taste test it, because I know this is going to be really hot. Okay, HPC. Yep, Happy Pepper Company. Cool. Made with cherry wood smoked Carolina Reapers. Wow. Look at that. The color on that is just awesome. You know, normally when I do Reaper powders, it's a little bit more orangish than what this is. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. This has got a nice red tint to it. Super finely ground as well. Cool. Second one we have here is a Happy Pepper blend, and it says made with chilies, Thai, cayenne, really small print. I think it's a Santa Fe Grande, habanero, bell pepper, red, yellow, and green. Okay, so bell pepper is red, yellow, and green. Carolina Reaper and chocolate boot jolokia. Oh, now doesn't that sound good? That's got a real nice consistency and blend to it as well. As I said, I had no idea these were coming. And Mr. Happy Pepper, I greatly appreciate this. And on the live stream tonight, if you're on, I will say it again. Yeah, this is really cool. You know me and my powders, I love them. I have like 15 different blends sitting on my desk at the moment. And I never have a lack of pepper powders. So yeah, these are going to be quite the interesting. Alrighty, once again, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. And I love the tubes too. You know, I use them too. Alrighty, with that said, again, thank you. And to everybody else, I thank you much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Like, subscribe, notification button, all that kind of good stuff down there. And yeah, I'm going to say bye.